Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain in UPSTOX app how we can place a stop loss order. So first of all, if you would like to open account with UPSTOX, please use this referral link in the description, and angel broking if you would like to open, you can use this link. Currently both the account opening is free and details I provided in the description of this video. Now I will go to the UPSTOX app. I am opening the app. Once it opened, it will go to watch list page. There you have to select the stock which you want to buy and place a stop loss order. Stop loss order can place in two ways. One is directly along with the main order we can place the order. Second method is once you place the order, there you can enter the stop loss. So here I am going to buy here by clicking this buy option. So what all things you have to select is, first you have to select the quantity. Then this complexity you have to select CO. CO means cover order. This is the name for the stop loss order. Here you can select market or limit. If it is market, first order, main order will execute on the market, current market price. If you are putting a limit, main order will execute on a limit price. Here the price is 165.5. So I am putting 165.4. So once the price of 165.4 reach, the main order will execute. This option stop loss sell out, I am clicking here. You have to enter the stop loss price, means at what price this order should be executed automatically. Means once it buy on this price, if the price goes down to whatever price we are mentioning here, other order will execute. If the price goes up, it is a profit for us. So one thing you have to notify is this stop loss order is valid only for the intraday trading. So only intraday is enabled. Validity will be only for a day. So here I am entering. Here you can see a limit what they are providing, 148.95 to 165.5. So here I am providing a limit of 5 rupees 165. So if I put 165, I will go to review and explain you one by one. Current main order price is 165.5. Sorry, 4, quantity is 10. And stop loss is 1, better to 160 I am keeping. Review. So once the price come down to 160, this stop loss order will automatically execute. Once I press the buy, this order will be sent to market. Now I will show you if already you have an item in your order book or in a portfolio, how to place a stop loss order. I am selecting my portfolio. I have a ITC 2 quantity. I am go by sell. In the stock exchange I have selected. Here you can select the symbol or after market our order. In this market, what we have to do is we have to select stop loss limit price. You have to select. Here you have to sell price. You have to put it 160 and trigger price is 160.1. So what will happen is once this price come down to this price 160.1, this order will send to market, and if the price reaches to 160, this order will execute. We will go to review and I will just explain. Okay, so one second. So this is the basic method of providing a stop loss order. If you have any question, please put on the comment line. Thanks for watching my video.